What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Bodie Outdoors. I'm Bodie, and today we're outdoors at the lake again. We got a little informational video for y'all today. We've got the all new Yamaha 20 horse little tiller handle. It's brand new, so we're gonna do the break-in period on it today. Pretty much consists of the first hour running up to 2000 RPM. The second hour we're gonna get it on plane, back the throttle off just a little bit, and then run it. And then for the next 8 hours you've got to run it at various throttle, staying away from max RPM for more than 5 minutes at a time. I think I'll have to double check and reread the procedure, but that's about it. I got the motor probably a week or two ago, but we had to rebuild the transom before we could get it out in the water. We put these supports in it, redid all the wood, and then we added this aluminum plate to the back. Pretty sturdy, it's not going anywhere. My trailer's a little bit too short, so I had to buy this transom saver that's bent so I can get up underneath there to the frame. Looks pretty decent if you ask me, but we're just gonna get this thing in the water, see how it runs. It's the first time. I'm pretty excited. All right, just kidding, we're not putting it in the water yet. I tried to load it, and apparently I have a big hole right there. I know the plug goes on the inside. I just put it there to show you guys. Right around where the plug goes, there's a big old crack in there. So luckily one of my friends is on the way. He was gonna meet me here anyways. We're gonna get some JB weld or something that dries quick. Try and plug that up and get it in the water today. It's kind of a bummer, but it'll be all right. Holder just got here, saved the day. Got some marine grade JB weld. Appreciate it, Holder.
No problem, man.
We're gonna go ride around his boat. He got a new boat, never put it in the water, so we're gonna go drive it around while that cures. We'll be back in an hour. We got the boat in the water, got the little tachometer. It's kind of blurry, it's shaking, but we're at roughly 2000 RPM. We're just gonna hold it here, go up and down a little bit, change it up, but about an hour we'll be doing this. I won't make y'all watch that whole thing, but once we do something different, I'll let you know. Here we are, we got 1 hour on the engine, right around 2000 RPM. The next step in the break-in process is to get it up on plane, then back it off enough to where it stays on plane, roll with it for an hour like that. So that's what we're gonna do. Got a holder on the camera. Keeps it up on plane, so we're gonna do that for about an hour. So we're almost at the 2 hour mark. We're at 1.9. So the crucial part of this is almost over. We've been running it on plane nearly an hour, but it started raining once we got here to the bridge, so we're gonna sit here for a while. I'm gonna shut up for a second and see if you guys can hear the rain hitting the lily pads over there. It sounds pretty cool. Did you hear that? So we're at the 2-hour mark on the engine now. The next step is to pretty much run it however you want to. Just stay away from max RPM for more than 5 minutes at a time. So we're gonna crank it up and let it eat for a minute. What's up, guys? It's the second day of the break-in process on this motor. Currently we're at 2.4 hours. When we get to 10, that'll be the end of the break-in process. We'll do an oil change, should be good to go. At this point, we can run it however we want to, other than wide open for more than 5 minutes. So we're out here on the river. We're just gonna run today. See how far we get. We've been running the river for quite a while now. Today we are currently at 6 hours. Luke's coming up on me, but I thought we were closer to about 7 hours. Got 4 more hours on the break-in period, but that'll be okay. Probably get us some other day. Let's see if I can do this first try. Probably not. Nope, already messed it up. That's okay. I got reverse. Peace out, YouTube.